Over the years, a number of legends have pioneered the greatest eras of Indian cricket. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is one such stalwart who revolutionized this sport with his own touch. His peculiar yet uncanny outlook on the game made him stand in an altogether different league. We take a look at his inspiring journey as India's most celebrated captain turns 39. The lack of a permanent wicketkeeper prompted Rahul Dravid to keep wickets on various occasions. Although management introduced several wicketkeepers in Test arena, none proved effective. This led to the arrival of a long-haired Ranchi boy who was drafted by then-captain Sourav Ganguly for the 2004 Bangladesh tour. However, Dhoni's international debut was marred by an untimely run-out. The former skipper sensed something special in Dhoni's quirky technique and kept backing him until he broke the shackles against Pakistan. Ganguly's formula to promote Dhoni at number 3 worked well as the latter smashed a blistering 148 in the Vishakhapatnam ODI. Months later, Dhoni announced himself as the quintessential batsman by posting an unbeaten 183 against Sri Lanka. In the next 2 years, Dhoni stood out as a mainstay wicketkeeper across formats. His consistent run against Pakistan, England, Australia, West Indies and South Africa made him indispensable. During that era, his long-standing partnerships with yet another legend Yuvraj Singh continued to make headlines. Notwithstanding, his spot was questioned following a disastrous World Cup campaign in 2007. The inaugural edition of World T20 handed Dhoni a chance to silence his detractors once and for all. In his first ever tournament as a captain, he rather led by example. Right from making non-regular bowlers deliver the historic bowl-out to giving Joginder Sharma the ball at the fag end, Dhoni audaciously made his presence felt. This marked the beginning of his prodigious era. Following Anil Kumble's retirement, Dhoni was given the charge of all 3 sides. He immediately shot to success in 2007 and 8, leading India to CB series victory against the mighty Australians. The next few years saw India dominating the ICC Test rankings and winning several laurels in multilateral tournaments. His own batting numbers also escalated during that period. In 2011, his monstrous 6 at Wankhede ended India's quest for a maiden World Cup trophy after 1983. Despite a phase of dejection wherein India lost consecutive overseas tests, the Dhoni-led side managed to clinch the Champions Trophy title in 2013. Over a year later, Dhoni silently took an exit from Test cricket before passing on the reins of limited overs captaincy to Virat Kohli. MS Dhoni is the only captain in world cricket to have won all 3 ICC trophies. 3 years after leaving captaincy, he still remains India's most successful captain in limited overs cricket with 110 ODI and 41 T20 victories. He has amassed 17,266 international runs from 538 matches at 44.96. Amid all the talks about Dhoni's surreal legacy, his composed demeanor always stands out. His approach of constantly highlighting the process signifies there is much more to him than cricket. Even though he hasn't been around international cricket since the completion of 2019 World Cup, one could only hope that Dhoni finishes off in style one last time.